Hey guys, I'm really enjoying all the third-party vendors that are out there for the Toyota Land Cruiser. Today I've got a little video on Solvefunction. I've got their Shaky mirror fix and their fire extinguisher mount. Start by removing the one screw at the bottom of the housing into the mirror assembly. It will tilt and pull out. All that's left that's connecting the mirror assembly to the vehicle is the three wires. Yellow, red, black. Yellow is closest to the vehicle. This bottom post support bracket is the only piece of the kit that I needed to use. Everything else was functional in my mirror assembly. You can see that bottom post here. Usually it splits and the second half remains in place, and that support post bracket would just reinforce it. In my case, the bracket broke completely off. It does snap nicely in place though. So obviously this won't be the fix that Solvefunction had in mind. I will use the post reinforcement as a dam, fill it with some JB weld that I had on hand, let it set up overnight, drill it out just undersized of the screw I'm going to use, and put it back together. Nice and firm. You can see the duct tape that's left from my Shaky mirror fix prior. When you remove the rear seat belt in that rear quarter pounder, you're going to have a blank space where the seat belt once attached. Solvefunction makes this fire extinguisher holder to fill that spot. They also make a blank that you can put in there. I have a full-size fire extinguisher under the front seat. However, more can't hurt. I don't know how good this Element fire extinguisher is, but it fills the spot. If I recall correctly, this bottom piece with the 3M tape is sold separately. I thought it'd be a good idea to get. However, it doesn't seem to stick. I prepared the area with an alcohol prep pad, cleaned it off fairly well, and it just didn't stick for me. Maybe you'll have better luck. It's a good idea, but it seems to hold fine with just the one. And yes, I did pull the red cover off to get to the sticky part first. This is just a test of it.